Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. In today's video we will discuss how to set up Trenzu Wi-Fi wireless range extender using the WPS push button. This is the easiest method to set up the Trenzu extender within 2 minutes without any username or password. If you're looking for the best extender that gives you the perfect Wi-Fi range coverage, then this video is specially made up for you. So without wasting any time, let's start the setup process. I hope in the end, this video will prove helpful for you. First of all, plug your Trenzu Wi-Fi extender into a power outlet close to your main router for the initial setup. Wait until the power LED on the extender turns solid on, this means it's ready. Find the WPS Wi-Fi Protected Setup button on your main Wi-Fi router. The button might be labeled WPS or show a 2 curved arrows icon. It is usually located on the back or side panel of your router. Now, press and hold the WPS button on your router for about 2 to 3 seconds. You should see a blinking WPS LED light on the router. This means your router is now searching for a device to connect securely. Within 2 minutes, press and hold the WPS button on your Trenzu extender for about 2 to 3 seconds. The WPS or signal LED on the extender will start blinking. This means it's trying to connect to your router. Wait about 30 to 60 seconds while the extender and router connect. When the signal/link LED on the extender turns solid green or blue, the connection is successful. If the LED stays red or blinking, repeat steps. Once connected, unplug the extender and move it to a location halfway between your router and the Wi-Fi dead zone. Make sure the signal LED remains solid, green/blue, that means the placement is good. Your extender will create a new Wi-Fi network like this, example, main router, home Wi-Fi. Connect your phone, laptop, or smart devices to the extended network using the same Wi-Fi password as your main router. You've now successfully set up your Trenzu Wi-Fi wireless range extender using WPS. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.